channel again. In this video I am going to show you Canon Maxify GX3070 printer and how to factory reset this printer. So first of all, our printer is in ready condition. This is the home button, then goes to settings, then press OK. Here device settings, OK. Then here in the last you can find reset settings. Press OK. Processing, please wait. The settings have been reset. Press OK and our printer is in factory reset mode. This is the way how to factory resets all network settings and Wi-Fi direct settings and ink level settings, all other settings. Thank you very much.